Hi, my name is Shannon Morris, and I am doing a screencast project on how to create an engaging and visually attractive PowerPoint presentation to teach a vocabulary lesson. To start, you open a PowerPoint presentation. I like to have a blank slide to work with, so we'll change the layout to blank. The first item on our slide will be our vocabulary word, which in this case is treasure. We will go up to the insert ribbon and we will come over to the text box and click that. We will put our text box on the slide and type in our word. It can be anywhere because we're going to adjust that slide and the material on it in a moment. Our next step is to add a visual definition to the word. And to do that, we will go up to Insert Ribbon again, and this time we will click on Clip Art. We will type in the word that we are looking for, which is treasure. Once the clip art has come up, we choose an appropriate picture for our slide. And since it would be nice to have another visual representation of the word, we will do another search in the same manner. Once we choose our next picture, we will add it to our slide. And now we go about adjusting the pictures and the words so that they are appealing to look at. Once the word is highlighted, we will come up to our font. We will choose an appropriate font and enlarge it. Our next step will be to choose a background for the slide. So we will go to the Design ribbon and then over to Background Styles. We'll go to Format Background. There are a number of options here that you can choose. We're going to go with the picture or texture fill. Then we're going to come over to Clip Art. We want to look for some clip art for the background, but it needs to be not too busy or it'll take away from your lesson. You find the appropriate background that you want, you click it, and it will place it as your background. Finally, if you want to change the way your text box looks, you can highlight the text box, go to your Home ribbon. There are a number of quick styles that you can use, or you can come over to the Shape fill and decorate it manually. In this case, we will do that. We'll give it an outline. And finally, the effects. There are a number of effects you can use, but there's also some that are preset, which is what we'll use for this. We'll come down and give it a slightly 3D effect and move it over just a touch. And here we have a visually appealing slide to teach a vocabulary word. Your next step would be to add a new slide and start all over again with your next word. To see what your slideshow looks like, you'll just come down here to where it says Slideshow, and you can see your slide as it will be presented to your class.